You are so close to starting your quest. Can you feel it? Let's keep up your momentum and craft your heroic quest statement. What's that? Your heroic quest statement, or HQS for acronym lovers, is your proclamation to yourself about what you stand for and what you're manifesting. It will serve as the North Star of your 55-day quest. Your HQS is your living truth in this season of your life, and this system will help you embody it at each step of your quest, guiding and uplifting you as you climb your personal mountain. An HQS is a little different from a personal vision statement. A personal vision statement is big picture. Like much bigger picture, it's a long-term vision for your life, and they're fabulous, but here's the thing. If you're at a crossroads or are taking up a new path in life, it may be hard to envision where the path will lead you in 5, let alone 10 years. What if where you end up is better than what you can envision today? Chew on that for a hot minute. Life is unpredictable, and it can be unpredictable in the most beautiful way when you give your all to a vision that resonates deep in your heart. I've experienced that myself, going from the depths of despair to the heights of freedom in less than a year. Trust that if you're struggling now, you can thrive in the future. Self-belief can move mountains. And if you're already thriving, well, keep slaying. Your next quest awaits. So, when envisioning your heroic quest statement, consider your answers to your Muse self-reflection questions and the dreams from your vision quest, especially the dreams that fill you with a blazing passion. Then, make like the wind and click Create a Heroic Quest Statement to get started. A card will open to craft your HQS. First, choose at least one dream that you're most passionate about in this season of your life. You can add more dreams to your HQS card by clicking the plus sign to the right. Your HQS card also lists your guiding truths and your heroic influences for each muse. Take a moment to revisit them. Then, answer the 4 self-reflection prompts. Now, this is where the magic happens. If you have Notion's AI add-on, you can use a nifty feature built into this system called Ask Ember. Ask Ember is like an AI Sherpa who offers specific tips to refine your ideas, like breaking down dreams into actionable milestones, crafting a powerful heroic quest statement, or expanding upon ideas you have. Notion charges a small monthly fee for their AI add-on, but you can try it out for free first. To get AI-inspired ideas for your HQS, click into the Ask Ember field. Then click the Update button to get 3 powerful suggestions for your heroic quest statement. Choose one that resonates most for you, then copy and paste it into the My Heroic Quest Statement text field, right below the Ask Ember field. If you want to write your own heroic quest statement or use a vision statement you've already crafted, you can do that too. Make sure to add it to the My HQS field. Finally, once you're happy with your HQS, click the Make this my heroic quest statement button to save it, and we'll take you to the final step before you start your 55-day quest.